Welcome back, everyone. I'm going to show you how to shake the camera in Construct 2. Now this is something that's kind of a little out of order from the tutorial, but it's just so much fun to actually do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push delete that, and I'm going to delete that, and every time you push Z, it's going to shake the camera. And this is you'll have so much fun doing this. Okay, so we're going to double click the sprite, and then we're going to go to scroll to shake. Alright, now we have the magnitude, the duration, and then we have a mode. Okay, so we'll talk about that in a second here. So we're going to go done, and then we'll run this and just wait. This is like one of my favorite parts. Push F5. Alright, and if you push it, you can see it shakes. Right? Like, for example, this mammoth here is having a frustrating day, and there we go. I never get tired of that. All right, but let's talk about this. So the magnitude is how much it shakes. The duration is how long it shakes. So if we make this 10, something ridiculous, and I push it. I just pushed it once, and you see how long it lasted? I believe that's 10 seconds. Kind of slow, yeah. So you want to make sure that this is not a big number. As you can see, it was 0.04 or 0.4. All right, the magnitude, let's make that 100. Oops, 100. Don't want this mouse to destroy the world. But that is even more. Look, that's a lot of shake. Let's make it 1,000 just to see what happens. Now that's a lot of shake. Alright, but let's put it back to 20. 20 is a good one. Okay, now we have reducing magnitude and constant magnitude. So let's click that. Alright, that's what constant magnitude looks like. And here's reducing magnitude. So it gives you a slightly different effect for each one. But anyway, this is one of my favorite things to do. You can use this when the enemy gets hit, or when you get hit, or let's say you die. You can easily shake the camera, and it's just tons of fun to play with. Alright, that's it for the tutorial. I will see you guys next time.